So we're doing cleaning today on a coil. Just gotta get on there real good. This foaming stuff's pretty good stuff. Get on those coils, you know, because typically you have to clean these coils because basically if the air isn't moving across it, it gets real hot and it just stays in the same place. You need air movement, so that's what we're doing. And I got the hose gonna come on in a minute. If you look how dirty this thing, just imagine how the coils are. Look at that. See that? And it's underneath here. So it gets pretty dirty. So that's why we're gonna clean it to the best of our ability. That's what we do. Make it right. Unit's off right now. Gotta make sure this is nice and clean at the end. We'll check back with you another time once we're all done, okay?